Why am I so nervous? Okay. I have a ton of things saved in my cart on AliExpress. A ton meaning 100, and that's only because they don't allow you to buy anything after 100, like that's the limit. So a while ago I went into my cart and I was looking at these items that I really wanted, but I was like, I mean, you want that, but let's think about how that's gonna look in real life. It's like just a little bit risky. And one day I was just like, what if you just bought these things? Like, you're never gonna know what they look like until you put them on. So I bought them. This is just me pushing myself out of my comfort zone, buying things that I normally would not buy just to see how it goes. So let's go see. So let's talk about the first thing that I want to show you guys. This shirt is so cute. It's really giving early 2000s. I'm absolutely obsessed with the sequins and I love the color. This came in a lot of different color variations, but honestly, the one that I got was the best one. They had a couple monochrome ones where the color was all the same, but I feel like the design needs some contrast for it to pop. I love the details of the butterfly and I definitely want them to stick out. It took me forever to figure out how to tie up this top because it's 2 strings and that's what ties the whole back of the shirt, and they crisscross several different times down your back. Now, this one was super cute, but I quickly realized when I took it out of the package that this was gonna be a bit revealing. A lot of the reviews said that it was going to be revealing, so I made sure to order a size large. Guys, I am small chested. There's no reason why a large should be exposing me like this. So I have to say, even though I ordered a size large and it is a little bit still showy, I really like it still. I'm just gonna have to tell myself that I am that girl when I wear this because it's kind of a lot for me. I don't know how to explain it. It's just like there's a certain limit of showy that I go, and this shirt is literally a step after the edge. This shirt is also super thin, which I can't blame AliExpress for. They're not known for their quality, but I did kind of think it was going to be on maybe a t-shirt material. It just feels like it's almost the same material as a mask, like those medical grade masks, only a little bit thicker. Next up, we have something that I thought this was high fashion. I was like, yes, invite me to the Met Gala. This is like the most revolutionary shirt I have ever seen. Baby girl, it's a scarf, basically. I don't even know where it's from because I've seen it redone so many times, but I did happen across it on AliExpress and I was like, okay, well, let me just put it in my cart. Like, I'm not gonna do it, girl, I'm not gonna do it. And then I did it. So I bought this shirt and I still have absolutely no idea how to tie it. There's like 50 million different ways that you're supposed to be able to tie this shirt. The straps, I have to say, are a little bit thin. They're not really holding the girls in. The girls are peeking out from the middle and from the side. And I'm like, pick one. Pick a struggle. You can't have both. So there's that, which is definitely out of my comfort zone. But I will say the knit on this is very lovely. The quality is very nice. Like, this shirt is not going anywhere. And I got the white because I thought it would look really cute in the fall and winter if you paired it over a turtleneck or blazer and really wrapped it a little lower, like right underneath the bust, as like a belt or harness type of look. So I'm really excited for that when it cools down a little bit. The one thing I will say is that I just need to learn how to tie it. I just need to find the way that it looks good and stick with it. I'm not there yet, but hopefully I will be. I adore this onesie. This onesie is so soft. This is the kind of quality that I expect from a real store. The fuzzy parts are unbelievable, and it was just a pleasure to have this on my skin. The only downside to this romper is that it's very short, and I mean very short. It's definitely something that's out of my comfort zone, but I find it interesting that it's out of my comfort zone because not too long ago, in like the early 2000s, we were all wearing really short shorts, and that was the style. I feel like that style has kind of phased out, and now I'm becoming more self-conscious about it because no one else is wearing short shorts anymore. I wore this already, and I was like hyping myself up, like, okay, you're gonna go out there, you're gonna kill it. And I would have, but it was rolling up. So not only was it short, but it was rolling up on me. So I've been stretching it in the corner of my room, hoping that it will fall just a little bit, because baby, all I need is like a half of an inch and then we are good to go. But then again, at the same time, I would catch myself in a mirror and I would be like, oh my god, that looks really cute. Like, what are you talking about? So I was having like several different kinds of experiences while I was wearing this. I do have to say that I'm 5'10", and you would think things like this would be short on me, but I went to the reviews and I looked at everybody else wearing this suit and it looked the same on everybody else. So just know that this is the way it's meant to be. It's not because I'm too tall, or if you're shorter than me, it's not gonna be longer. It's gonna look the same. I think I got this in a large too, hoping that it would be a little bit longer, but I played myself. Oh, I almost forgot to mention that this is definitely a House of Sunny dupe. So if you're looking for something a little bit more affordable, definitely go for this. This looks exactly like the House of Sunny romper. I haven't seen that one in person because it is an online store, but I've seen a lot of photos. So I think this is a really good imitation. Last but not least, I have this bathing suit. Now, this bathing suit had thousands and thousands of buys and like hundreds of reviews, and it didn't matter what body type the person had, it looked amazing on everybody. And I was like, okay, well, that's a sure sign that I need this in my life. And just look at how cute it is. I love the little ruched ribbing, I guess, because it is ruched, but it's also done in a like wavy pattern. I just absolutely love the material, the texture. Also, I love that the top is not a halter. Like, it doesn't tie behind my neck, which I hate because I don't even have big girls, but that tie in the back is so uncomfortable. After a while, you feel like it's pulling your neck down, and I don't need any more of that. I already stare at my phone in a hunched over position. Like, I don't need to be hunched over even more. Look at the little white lace detail. I just think that's so precious. It also did come with cups, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna take them out or not. I've tried it on with them and it didn't look unnatural. They are very thin cups, so I think I might just leave them. I'm usually like a no cup kind of girl, but I think I am gonna leave them in. I do have to reinforce the little flowers because I put it through the wash, and girl, I almost lost both of them. I haven't worn this out yet, but it is just a tad revealing on the back of the bottoms, and I'm just tired of getting in the way of myself living my best life. Like, these are the kind of bathing suits that I always see on other girls, and I'm like, oh my god, this is so cute. Like, why don't I have something like this? And then I'm like, why don't I have something like this? So who cares if like a little bit of cheek is out? Like, no one's gonna die, and I just can't wait to wear this. It is gonna be just a little bit cheeky, but I think it's just absolutely adorable. I've already tried it on and it fits like a glove. I think I got a medium. Y'all, run out and buy this bathing suit. This bathing suit look bomb on everybody. If you like this, go buy it. You need it. that went surprisingly well. It's definitely something I want to try again, so let me know if you like this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and thank you for giving me a reason to like push myself out of my comfort zone.